Hi guys, my name is Salta and today I want to show you my everyday makeup. I was really inspired by Glossier's models and just in general their brand. Not much eyeshadows and eyeliners, and that's what I really liked and I started using every day. I just look radiant and glowing, and this is what I wanted to achieve, but also stay natural. If you guys like this look, please keep watching. The first thing I use is my Lancome SPF with SPF 30, which is really cool because it moisturizes and it has some vitamins. I just love this, and it doesn't have that white cast. Please disregard my nails because I'm gonna go to the salon tomorrow. So first thing I do is I put it all over my face to protect that face. Next, I'm using a concealer, and this one is Touche Eclat Radiant Touch from YSL. So the way I use it, you just press on it and some product comes out. I conceal my dark circles, some spots, and then I just use my hands to spread it out. Also, I might use another concealer on top. Maybelline Fit Me in 20 Sand Sable. I have some spots here that I want to conceal. Next, I need to do my brows. For that, I'm using Chanel's Sculpting Eyebrow Pencil. It has a spoolie on one end and a regular pencil on the other. I'm just shaping my brows just the way they naturally are. Then I'm using my Glossier Boy Brow, and I really love this product, but I hate the packaging because it looks like it's been through hell. All of the titles are gone. You can't really tell what it is. Mine is in brown. Like, brush them upwards. So next, I am curling my eyes with this one. This is from Shiseido or Shiseido. I don't know what's the right way to pronounce that. Eyelashes got a lift. So then I'm using this Diorshow Maximizer Lash Plumping Serum, and my spoolie got off of it. So please don't laugh at me, but I'm just gonna use whatever is left from the spoolie to coat my lashes with it. And then I go in with my favorite mascara from Marc Jacobs. I've been using it for like 6 months now. I like really voluminous, spidery lashes, bottom lashes. Okay, lashes are done. Next thing I like to do is I use this pearly shimmery shadow for my inner corners. So I look much more awake when I use that. So we're almost done. I'm gonna use some bronzer, not bronzer, but this is Glow Multicolor Duo to contour my face. I'm just gonna use it all around my cheekbones, around my face. This is what it looks like. I'm just dragging it upwards along my face line. So next I'm gonna use Glossier's Cloud Paint in Dusk. Just gonna take a little bit because a little goes a long way. Just this much. Dab it. And then highlighter. For highlighter, I like this one from Chanel. It's called Plisse Lumiere de Chanel. Really what I just do, I take it with my fingers like that and just put it on my highest points of my cheekbones, on my nose, on my lips, and above my brows. The last step that I'm gonna use is lip gloss, and the one that I'm using is Narcissus Orgasm. It's really good and it just looks really plump and pretty. Thank you guys so much. This is the completed look. I call it Glossier Everyday Makeup because I really love it, and since I got Boy Brow or Cloud Paint, I've been loving to wear this makeup, and it's really simple but it's really glowing. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please hit the like button, subscribe, press that bell button to get notifications of my new videos. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!